For as long as I could remember, shea butter has always been that girl, and making my own perfectly whipped homemade shea butter with a few minimal ingredients has been a huge game changer for my hair and skin. So what you'll need is 8 ounces of shea butter, and if it ain't coming from Ghana, we don't want it. You'll also need pure vitamin E oil. I used about 2 syringe full. I used 40 to 50 drops of lemongrass essential oil, and then I used 1 tablespoon of neem oil, but here are a few other options of oil you could use in your shea butter as well. Jojoba oil, argan oil, and rosehip seed oil are a few other oils I would highly recommend for this homemade DIY. The benefits of this homemade whipped shea butter is that it can boost your skin's moisture. It also soothes skin problems and can heal cuts and scrapes, and it also heals breakouts as well. So earlier on in the video I showed you that I used neem oil, and that's because it helps tremendously with healing the skin tissue from within and simultaneously reduces hyperpigmentation and scars. If this video was helpful, please save and share it, and thank you guys so much for watching.